Well, I'm back out at the cabin for a couple days. We're doing something a little bit different tomorrow, and I have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I got to get to bed. Good morning. Just having some breakfast and coffee. Smells really good in here, and it smells even better if I remember to bring the eggs. So it's quite the miserable day out there, really blowing. The wind actually kept me up all night long. I kept hearing something crawling on the roof last night, something small. And I checked on it this morning and it was a squirrel, got into the wall. Must be stashing pine cones in there, so I sealed it all off, so hopefully that takes care of the problem. So I was supposed to wake up to rain this morning, not snow. I'm not dressed for this. I have my rain jacket on, rubber boots. I have no traction at all. There's still a couple things I have to get done today. I don't think the snow is going away anytime soon, so I'm going to finish planting my garden. I got some beets and carrots. I also really wanted to show you guys some of the other things I do out here, especially in the spring. I collect antlers, skulls, petrified wood, feathers. I also do some gold panning. Find it really relaxing, but that'll have to wait for some other time. So in this bag I have about 20 trees I'm going to plant today. These were all growing in a ditch and eventually would have been mowed down, so I thought I'd save them. They're mostly spruce, and I tagged them all just so I can keep an eye on them. I chose this location here because it's fairly open and it's on my way to the cabin, so I can keep an eye on these trees, see how they're doing, see if they make it. So one thing I like to do is wrap the root in paper towel or a flyer, and then tie it up with some jute twine. This keeps the root nice and moist until it gets established, in case we don't get any rain or snow for a while. So I had my fun for today of working outside. I'd rather work in -20 than wet snow. So I planted over 20 trees. I brought out some more tree seeds, and I scattered some blueberries around too. So I'm going back inside. So I actually had quite a bit planned for today, but I'm not even going to bother with firewood. Just too slick out there. I'm not even sure how I'm going to make it up that hill with my backpack on.